Okay, with this video, I'm going to show you how to use the voice insert feature with the advanced recorder. With the Sanaco Connect, there's two recorders, the simple recorder, which is just a single track recorder, and the advanced recorder, which is a two-track recorder. So as you can see, I'm using the advanced two-track recorder, and I already have a audio loaded in on the master track. It's just got three questions on it, and it's 25 seconds long approximately. And so right in here you can see the voice insert button, and currently it is not active. I did not activate it yet. So as a student or a teacher, I can hit play and listen to the file. And then I could hit stop, and if I wanted to, I can play it over and over again. If I again, without the voice insert active, I could record along with it. So let me show you what that looks like real quick. So when I hit this record button, two things will happen. The track will begin to play, and it'll also begin to record my voice. So here we go. Okay, so I'm listening to question number 1, and it's recording my voice at the same time, and I can answer the question, and when I'm done, I can hit stop. Okay, so now you can see here's my voice, and here's the master track. When I play this back, you're going to hear my voice and the master track at the same time. One is going to overlap the other. And in many cases, you may want that. Maybe you've got a series of questions where it's question number 1 and it goes beep, and it goes on for maybe 6 seconds or so, and then it goes on to the next question. In those cases, you're going to want to just keep voice insert off and record your voice within that 6 seconds. But there may be cases where you want to record your answer for a longer period of time. Now these 3 questions that are on the master track, there's only like maybe 2 seconds in between each question, maybe 2, maybe 3 seconds. So really not long enough for me to answer appropriately. So let me show you what it looks like now with voice insert. So let me reset the player here, and let me go ahead and load my audio file one more time. 1 second. Okay, so alright, so again the same audio file is loaded. Now this time I'm going to turn voice insert on, and again I can hit play and listen if I wanted to. Okay, so I'm just listening to the file, and then when I hit stop, every time you hit stop it goes back to the beginning. Of course if you hit pause, it just pauses it right where it's at. Now this time, with voice insert, here's the important thing. It's a series of toggling play, then pause, then record and pause. Play, pause, record, pause. Let me show you what that looks like. So I'm going to hit play to listen to the question number 1. Okay, I can hear. Okay, I heard the question. Please tell me your name and tell me the class. So I could think about my answer. Okay, I got it. Now I'm going to record. Okay, my name is Bill, and the class is just a Sanaco demonstration practice class, and I could talk for as long as I want, so that's my answer. So you notice that I hit pause. I did not hit stop. If you hit stop, it goes back to the beginning. So now you see the difference. It broke the master track, and it's inserting my voice in there, so I did not miss question number 2. So now I'm going to hit play, listen to question 2, and then I'll hit pause. Okay, I hear question number 2. And I'm going to hit pause. Okay, it wants me to look around the room and describe a few items. I'm going to hit record and pause. Okay, in my room I see a light, a lamp, and I see a fan, and I see a telephone, and I see a window, and that's going to be my answer. Okay, once again you can see my voice, and there's the gap. And I'm going to go on to question number 3, play. and pause. Okay, tell me the months and the year, so now I'm going to hit record. Okay, so it's January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. And there's my voice, and now that's it, so I could hit play, but there's nothing else, so I can, it stopped and went back to the beginning. So now when I play it back, I'll hear the question, and then I'll hear my answer, and the question, and the answer. Okay. So that's how the voice insert works. Now this also is great for teachers. Perhaps a student sent you an audio file that has maybe a minute or two of them speaking, and you want to provide some feedback right into their audio file. You can use the voice insert feature to do just that. And then when it's all done, you can take a copy of it and send it back to the student, and they'll hear your comments right in the file. So that's how you use the voice insert feature with the Advanced Recorder. Thank you.